Electrical rotating machines. Number 1. Traction generator or alternator TG bar TA. Exciter generator. Auxiliary generator. Number 4. Eddy current clutch. Number 5. Dynamic brake blower motor BKBL. Fuel pump motor FPM. Crankcase exhaust motor CCEM. Dust exhaust motor DEM. Traction motors TM, tacho generator, axle driven alternator ADA. Traction alternator. Alternator is a machine which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Alternator is coupled with main diesel engine crankshaft in alternator room. Alternator is driven by diesel engine crankshaft and cooled while by one Arma fan. It is a separately excited alternator. Field is excited by exciter generator. Purpose. In normal working three-phase AC power is produced and rectified through rectifier panel. AC power converted into DC power. DC power will goes to traction motor through BKT, reverser and power contactors. Effect on failure. During engine cranking, no effect. On run, LM not responding. Exciter generator. Exciter generator is a separately excited DC generator. It is provided in alternator room and driven by alternator bull gear. Its field is excited by auxiliary generator output or battery supply. Purpose. While engine cranking, this will work as DC motor. In normal working, it works as a generator and main alternator field is excited through GF contactor. Effect on failure. During cranking, loco will not crank. On run, LM will not respond. Auxiliary generator. It is a self-excited DC generator. It is provided in alternator room and driven by alternator bull gear. Purpose. While engine cranking, this will work as DC motor. During normal working, it works as a generator and induced voltage is utilized for battery charging and control circuits. Effect on failure. During cranking, loco will not crank. Batteries will not charging. Control circuit will take supply from batteries. Battery ammeter showing discharging side. Eddy current clutch. It is located in radiator room. It is fitted between extension crankshaft and right angle gearbox. It has got two drums, outer drum and inner drum. Outer drum is connected to extension crankshaft and inner drum connected to right angle gearbox. Purpose. It is getting current from auxiliary generator output through R1 and R2 contactors controlled by FPM breaker. Whenever engine water temperature rises 68 degrees centigrade, R1 contactor will pick up radiator fan starts rotating slowly, slow speed. Whenever engine water temperature rises 74 degrees centigrade, R2 contactor will pick up radiator, fan starts rotating full speed. Effect on failure. If ECC fails, radiator fan will not work. Thereby, water temperature will rise up to 90 to 100 degrees centigrade and then declare hot engine alarm HEA. Dynamic brake blower motor. It is located in nose compartment. It is a DC series motor. Purpose. BKBL is used for cooling dynamic brake grids. It is getting current from traction motors, a part of grid current during dynamic brake. BKBL having In conventional, two fans left side fan will cool left grids. These are 6. Right side fan will cool right side grids. These are 6. In roof mounted grids, blower having only one fan will cool all the grids. That is 6. Effect of failure. If it fails, grids will not get cooled and thereby grids are overheated and melted. Dynamic brake effectiveness will become poor. Fuel pump motor. It is located loco left side in compressor room. FPM is a three-phase AC induction motor with DC bar AC inverter. Purpose. Fuel pump motor will get supply from batteries during engine shutdown condition for loco cranking and on run from auxiliary generator. FPM will have only one fuel booster pump towards engine side coupled with low joy coupling. While working FPM, fuel oil will pump from fuel tank to FIP. Effect on failure. If FPM is not working during cranking, engine will crank but not fire due to no fuel oil pressure. On run, if FPM is not working due to any reason, loco will shut down automatically due to no fuel oil pressure. Crankcase exhaust motor. It is located engine left side, power takeoff and above the engine block. CCEM is a three-phase AC induction motor with DC bar AC inverter. Purpose. CCE motor will get supply from batteries during engine shutdown condition and on run from auxiliary generator controlled by CEB breaker. CCE motor to exhaust fumes and gases from engine crankcase and to create vacuum in crankcase. Effect on failure. During cranking, no effect. On run, CCE motor not working, fumes and gases will not go out from engine crankcase and spring-loaded explosive door will open with explosive sound and fumes and gases will go out. After pressure, dropping doors will close automatically. Heavy lube oil consumption will take place. Dust exhaust motor. These motors are fitted only in cyclonic air filter intake system locomotive. These are two. DEM are fitted on both sides of the radiator room underneath on chassis of loco. DM engine. Another two DEM are fitted on both sides of the generator room underneath on the chassis of loco. DEM car body. DEM are three-phase AC induction motors with AC DC bar AC inverter. Purpose. DEM will get supply from battery during engine shutdown condition and on run from auxiliary generator. These motors are used to remove the dust particles which are filtered by both cyclonic air filters. Effect on failure. If motor fails, there is no effect on loco immediately. Tacho generator. It is located engine right side, power takeoff and below the governor mounted on right side cam gear cover. It is a permanent magnet type three-phase alternator. Purpose. It produces three-phase AC supply proportional to diesel engine speed and electrical signals to send excitation panel MEP 660 control unit in Woodward Governor Loco. Speed signals sent to MCBG control unit in MCBG Governor Loco. Effect on failure. During engine cranking, engine will crank fire not holding in GE governor loco. On run engine will shut down automatically without any indication. GE governing loco. In Woodward governor loco engine will crank but LM will not respond. On run engine will shut down with message. Taco faulty cable opening while running. In MCPG governor loco. Axle driven alternator. It is fitted on L2 axle. ADA is a permanent magnet single phase AC alternator. It is driven by axle proportional to loco speed. Purpose: it will give locomotive speed signal to auto transition through TET and TRP. Effect on failure: auto transition will not work. Loco can work with manual transition. Thank you.